In this one, we're going to have our receptionist himself sync his password. So we are logged in, and obviously he knows how to log in at vip.ampi.com or your particular URL for your customer. And we'll press the sync button, and I will put in the password, and we will sync. Now this will make the receptionist client password the same as what we use to log into CAP, which will also be the same password you use for nCommand or Voyant Connect or any other client-side operation. So now that we have that synced, we can go to the receptionist client itself, client.ampi.com/receptionist, and then our user ID is the phone number at corpglobal.net. So these user credentials are important, and we can see 618-300-6140 is the one. And I'm going to put in the password that we have just synced to it. And now we are logged in, and I can see that those favorites that I assigned before now appear, and I have access to my receptionist client.